I'll go ahead and flip them over. Now we're going to start building them. So 1 jalapeno, 1 piece of cream cheese. We're going to roll that up the best we can. I cubed the cream cheese up before it, made it a little easier for this part. Now for the finishing touch. I think you guys are going to really love this. But yeah, some Wright's thick cut bacon. We're going to take a single piece, grab the chicken thigh, just wrap this bad boy. Then, where this pan is going to come into play, you're just going to stuff it in here, and it'll hold tight during the cook. Got the Cosmos Killer Honey Bee, and we're going to add this to the top of the bacon. The reason I use cream cheese other than cheddar or something like that, it holds it together a little better during the cook. Cheddar and other cheeses will just melt right out. Alright, that's it for now. I'm going to let these sit for a little while, get the grill fired up, and we're going to go from there. Alright, while the chicken's cooking, we're going to go ahead and make up the sauce. Today we're going to be using the Blues Hog and the Blues Hog Red. Red is more of a vinegar-based sauce. It cuts really nicely with the Blues Hog, the original. So we're going to go ahead and add this. So you can tell that one's a little bit more thin. From there, you just want to mix it together. And for the measurements, what I do is about a whole jar of the original and half a jar of the red. About 30 minutes, we're going to go ahead and get some butter on these. Get out of the shot just a second. Looks delicious. Cut up some butter. Just going to go ahead and set it on top. Don't care if it slides down, just want it to melt in. Alright, now we're going to let it cook. Alright guys, it's been about another 20 minutes. Gonna look at getting these out of here to sauce them up. Looking delicious. Don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks incredible. Alright, it's been about 20 minutes since I put that sauce on. Gonna get a look at them, see if they're ready to pull off. Well, they look amazing. Look at this big boy right here. 166, 169. I think they're ready to pull. Alright, I'm gonna get them off here and I'll see you guys inside. Alright, gave it about 10 minutes to rest. Gonna cut into it now. Just gonna go right down the middle here. Alright guys, the time has come. Got this thing sliced up. Gonna give it a taste test, let you know what I think. Take this middle one. Big boy. So good. I know I say that every time, but typically, anytime you throw meat on the barbecue, it comes out good, even if you mess up. I need another bite. I need another bite.